In this video, I will show you many options on how to wear your scarves. This is for everyday elegance. This is what I do on an everyday basic, inside, outside. I will just show what I do and you will see it's super simple. So here is a rather thick, long, rectangle scarf that is large, long size. And what I usually do with it is that I just have it into two and I pull it around my neck this way. And that's it. Now here is a very light silk rectangle scarf. And what I usually can do with this one is this. Now this one is still rectangle silk, a little bit thicker, and so I can do as the first one like this. I can tuck it in. Still with the same scarf, I can just put it around once and just leave it like this. But that's when you have nothing to do. No dishes, no cooking, because then this will pour into the food, right? So you can still tuck it in or leave it out. Here with this one, I want to match a little bit my shoes with it. So what I'm going to do, because this one is very light silk scarf and it's square. So the easiest way I do on an everyday basis, I make a triangle, I wrap it around this way. Oops. Make a little knot here, or a bow, it depends if it's large or not. And here you go. If you're really cold, you can put your collar up if you like it. Tuck it in if you want. Put it out. Put the bow on the side. Nice and warm. Now I can do the exact same thing if I go outside. I just put my little coat here when it's not too cold. And I can take the first one here. And make it nice and fluffy so that I feel comfort, softness, and either I leave them out or I'm really cold and I just tuck them in. Now you can mix patterns together, but it's a little bit tricky, but it's possible. So you just look, try them out, and we'll see how it goes. I never put this one with this dress, but I don't know if you can see it. In real life, it's a little bit better than on camera, but it's quite nice. This match is probably better. You know, when you're on for trying outfits for elegance, you have to try things. Some days will be better than others. Some matches will be better than others. But in the end, do what makes you feel happy, feel good. This is pretty nice. Now this is my everyday, very hot winter coat when it's really cold. So I can keep my scarf, but if it isn't enough and if it's really cold, then I can just add on top and cover my silk scarf, which is really extra comfortable. So I have this plain white that I grabbed in my closet over there, and I just do the same thing. I get it fluffy because when you get it fluffy, it makes it feel, it covers you better. You feel warmth. And so either you leave it out or you can tuck it in for more comfort. Sometimes I put the collar up like this. Now here is just a more summer vibe. And of course, it's a matter of taste. I mean, I'm not saying that this is correct or this is right or this is wrong. It's also a matter of taste. But I find that blending these two together is possible. I love to mix colors, but it's really a question of personality, a question of personal taste, if you like it, if you feel comfortable with it. So I'm just having fun right now. That's the most important, that you have fun with what you put on yourself. So this can be just an example, maybe not the most perfect, but here it is. And so just to let you know, I can style this with this dress because inside here there is some kind of blue. So that is the bridge to make it possible. You see, we can find blue again there. But we can absolutely just have a little fun scarf. Now here, it doesn't serve any warmth purpose, but it's just a little extra thing if you like it. And what I didn't show you is that, of course, in summer, if you want to take your scarf off because it's too hot, for example, then you just wrap it around your handbag, make a little knot, a nice knot, especially if it's a nice scarf. And that's another way to style your scarf and put it away when you don't need it. This is the old one. So here is the other example. And you can do that with any bag, of course. Now, this is a scarf I put all year long because the colors can be for winter, but they can also be good for summer vibes. And so when it's really fresh in the summer, in France, it can happen, then I just put it around my shoulders like this. You know, when you go into a store and the air conditioning is really, really very cold, then just wrapping it around you will bring you some comfort and warmth. And then when you're done, you put it around your bag again. And you can just leave it this way. So it brings a good touch of color and doesn't make it too hot for you, but still a little bit of comfort, a little bit of color, a little bit of elegance. And there you go. And what I do to wrap it around the handle of my bag, I try to make it a little bit short and find a way to wrap it here. I do it like I wrap it around my neck. You see? And if this is too long, then I wrap it again. I put my hand in here, just make something so it doesn't drag on the floor, and it still brings a little bit of color on my bag. Here is another example of a more summer dress and matching patterns together. So this is a dress. I can put a belt on here, but I just don't have it handy right now. And here is a really simple cotton, very light scarf that I love for summer because it's cotton, your skin breathes, and it's really very comfortable to put on. So same thing here. Either I twist it, I just put it this way here because I want it to be warm around my throat. And you see, here I have some sort of pattern, and here I have a different one, but I feel it's all right. But then again, it's a matter of taste, and what really matters is how happy you feel, and what matters is the overall harmony that you are creating with your outfit. And same thing, you can wear it different ways. You can just wrap it once like this, more like a ninja way of wrapping it around, just to have some color, or just put it this way so that you get the color, you get the vibe, the harmony. Or if it's quite fresh and you don't have a little sweater on you, then you just can put it more around you like this, or close it, make it really comfortable. That's why this is so practical in the summer season, when you just want to adapt to the weather, your comfort, the warmth. And you can put it on your bag this way if you don't know what to do it and you don't want to wear it anymore. So here it is. I hope this video helps. Tell me in the comments what this inspired you. Please share, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more upcoming videos, and thank you for watching.